Welcome back to Trivia Trek. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to channel so you can get quiz videos every day. Please let us know your scores in comment section below. Let's start with easy questions. Before we begin, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then hit that red subscribe button under the video. Let's start the quiz.
Which river flows through the Grand Canyon? The answer is Colorado River. Which empire was known as the empire on which the sun never sets? The answer is British Empire. What is the largest species of fish? The answer is whale shark. The liar paradox, this statement is false, is a classic problem in which branch of philosophy? The answer is logic. Which instrument has 88 keys? The answer is piano. Who wrote The Picture of Dorian Gray? The answer is Oscar Wilde. What is the hottest type of main sequence star classified by the Harvard spectral system? The answer is O-type. What is the name of the theorem that states that every polynomial equation has at least one complex root? The answer is fundamental theorem of algebra. Which cheese is known for its distinctive holes? The answer is Swiss Emmental. Who was the first European to sail around the Cape of Good Hope? The answer is Bartholomew Dias. What is the SI unit of electrical resistance? The answer is ohm. The English alphabet has 26 letters. How many are vowels? The answer is 5. How many Grand Slam tournaments are held each year? The answer is 4. Which country is the largest by land area in South America? The answer is Brazil. Which element has the atomic number 26? The answer is iron. The Magna Carta was originally issued in which year? The answer is 1215. Which reptile can change its skin color? The answer is chameleon. Who is credited with inventing the World Wide Web? The answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Which ancient wonder was located at Alexandria? The answer is Lighthouse of Alexandria. The misinformation effect was famously studied by which cognitive psychologist?
Let's set the difficulty to normal now. Before we begin, go and like this video. Are you ready? Let's go.
What is the capital of Australia? The answer is Canberra. Which novel begins with the line "Call me Ishmael"? The answer is Moby Dick. What is the name of the bright, visible surface of the sun? The answer is photosphere. The veil of ignorance is a concept introduced by which philosopher? The answer is John Rawls. Who directed the 1993 film Jurassic Park? The answer is Steven Spielberg. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? The answer is mitochondrion. Which type of reaction absorbs heat from its surroundings? The answer is endothermic. The Punic Wars were fought between Rome and which city-state? The answer is Carthage. Which composer became deaf later in life? The answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. Which mountain range is home to the highest peak in the Americas? The answer is Andes. What is the SI unit of force? The answer is Newton. The four-color theorem states that any planar map can be colored with no more than how many colors? The answer is 4. Which country won the most gold medals at the 2020 Summer Olympics, held in 2021? The answer is United States. Who was the first president of the United States? The answer is George Washington. Which spacecraft was the first to leave the solar system and enter interstellar space? The answer is Voyager 1. Which epic poem begins with the line "Sing, O goddess, the anger of Achilles son of Peleus"? The answer is the Iliad. Which insect is known for producing honey? The answer is bee. Which social media platform was launched first? The answer is Facebook, 2004. What is the term for the process where unrelated species evolve similar traits independently? The answer is convergent evolution. The Glorious Revolution of 1688 resulted in the overthrow of which English king? The answer is James II.
Now it's time for hard questions. After the video, please comment your scores below. Let's go.
Which city is known as the Big Apple? The answer is New York City. Which artist painted Guernica? The answer is Pablo Picasso. Which noble gas is used in neon signs to produce a red glow? The answer is neon. Which philosopher wrote Being and Nothingness? The answer is Jean-Paul Sartre. Which band performed the song Hotel California? The answer is the Eagles. What is the name of the smallest bone in the human body? The answer is stapes. Which color of visible light has the longest wavelength? The answer is red. Which language has the most native speakers worldwide? The answer is Mandarin Chinese. What is the name of the toy cowboy in Toy Story? The answer is Woody. Which river flows through Paris? The answer is Seine. Which planet has the highest surface gravity in the solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Which Chinese dynasty built the Forbidden City? The answer is Ming. Which country won the FIFA World Cup in 2018? The answer is France. Who wrote Charlotte's Web? The answer is E.B. White. What is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? The answer is H2SO4. Which mathematician is known for the Riemann hypothesis, one of the unsolved Millennium Prize problems? The answer is Bernhard Riemann. Which bird is a symbol of peace? The answer is dove. Who was the first person to circumnavigate the globe? The answer is Juan Sebastian Elcano. What does the GPT in ChatGPT stand for? The answer is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Which ancient Greek philosopher believed in the theory of forms? The answer is Plato.
Leave a comment how much you score. We upload quiz video every day. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can get smarter every day.